Good evening, everyone. I welcome each one of you to our Advocate on Record Aspirants Academy. Today is our 25th lecture series. It is quarter to century. So this happens only because of your unity, your collaboration, your cooperation. And at the outset, yesterday Advocate on Record results have come. And some of our students have cleared successfully. So I wish and pray that our academy will produce more number of Advocate on Records in the future. So with this positive note, we always recite the preamble as our daily prayer. So I request each one of you to recite preamble along with me. We the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution. Thank you so much, dear friends. Today is our 25th lecture, and we have said in our posters that it is a celebration. What sort of celebration? The celebration is, we have started somewhere in the month of 27th July 2024. That was our first meet, and it was conducted at library number 1. How to study AOR examination or how to prepare AOR examination. That was our lecture number 1. Thereafter, we were asked to deliver our lectures at bar launch. From there, we were shifted to Daftari block with good gathering. So that is how our progress made. And it is not one person's effort, dear friends. It is all collective effort. It is all we, whenever there is some objections with reference to speech, there are people with solidarity to unite that this speech or lectures series must go on. And when we started this academy, there were 3 purposes. I want to remind to myself also, to our AOR aspirants also, why it was started and why this name was kept. Advocate on Record Aspirants Academy, AAA. Aspirants means one who has committed, aspiring to achieve something. We as an advocate, we aspire to achieve Advocate on Record, to be a successful as an AOR. That is aspirant. Academy is like a school which trains such expertise, to train such advocates to become an AOR. So Advocate on Record Aspirants Academy, that is how it was born. What was the purpose? The first purpose is to make every advocate, if they are really interested to become an Advocate on Record, our academy will help to and guide them to be a successful candidate in the AOR examination. That is our first purpose. Second purpose is how an advocate can become an Advocate on Record only through learning the basic elementary principles, through learning the practice and procedure, how to draft, and what is professional ethics, and what are the leading cases. So we should equip ourselves. By equipping ourselves, it is like we are dispelling the darkness of ignorance and lighting the lamp of knowledge. That is the second purpose. The third is, once we are strong, once we are equipped with basic elementary principles of law, it produces strong bar, intellectual bar. We can assist the Honorable Supreme Court or any courts effectively and to render justice to the litigants. So these are the purposes, dear friends. Moreover, Article 51 capital A, which deals with fundamental duties. Everybody is aware about part 3, but fundamental duties 51A, particularly the J clause, 51AJ, which says strive towards excellence in individual capacity also as well as collectively. So you must always try to excel in the spheres of individual or collectively for what? So that the nation achieves more and more higher. So it is one of the fundamental duties. So I humbly put forth before my esteemed colleagues that AOR Aspirants Academy, in by doing its duty, because it is a citizen's duty, every citizen shall strive to excel in all spheres, collectively, individually, so that the nation constantly grows to the next level, higher level. So it is our fundamental duties, dear friends. I always believe that our beauty is our duty and our duty is our beauty. So with this, dear friends, I would like to say one thing. As a founder of the AOR Aspirants Academy, you are seeing me every day and every lectures. But this is a time to honor those who are behind the screen and they have worked so much tirelessly, constantly along with me. When I ask those fellow beings, fellowships, they say, so your dream is our dream. Your mission is our mission and your vision is our vision, because we are not working for individual purpose. We are here for the collective purpose. That is what fraternity, to achieve what is there in the preamble, justice, liberty, equality, fraternity, and we the people of India, we have gathered here to excel in our field. Therefore, we can achieve more and more. So with all your permission, I would like to honor those people who have worked behind the screen. I would like to introduce one after the other to you and honor them in your presence, for which I would request Miss Vidhi. She will be anchoring this movement. Yes. We have list of awardees here who has worked for the development of our academy. So we will be calling out one by one. Please give them the great applause. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. It is both a privilege and a pleasure to stand here today among such accomplished and dedicated individuals who represent the spirit of legal excellence, determination, and resilience. Today, we gather not only to celebrate the accomplishment of AOR Aspirants Academy, but also to honor the incredible journey of some of our most outstanding trainees, associates, philosophers, and all those people who are closely associated with the AOR Aspirants Academy. What makes today even more special is reflecting on how far we have come as a community. The AOR Aspirants Academy started just a few months ago as a small family of passionate learners who were determined to take on the rigorous journey of becoming advocates on record. Back then, it was an idea, a belief in the power of collaboration, hard work, and shared goals. Today, that small family has grown steadily and is increasing day by day. What began as a handful of aspirants has blossomed into a thriving academy, driven by collective ambition of every individual present here, and not to forget all those who have joined us online. In this growing family, we have witnessed stories of resilience and brilliance. Today, we would like to take a moment to honor some of our exemplary trainees who have not only excelled but also inspired others along the way. Their journeys remind us why we strive for greatness in this noble profession. I request each and everyone to please give them a loud round of applause. I would like to introduce our senior associates, Mr. Amar Kumar Raizada.
Please.
He is an AOR aspirant. He is dedicated and one of the regular attenders of the AOR lecture series.
So this is our honor.
Secondly, we would like to call Mr. Shank.
He'll deliver.
Okay, sorry,
2
sorry.
minutes. 2 minutes, please. Yes. Sir will share his experience. Yes.
Good evening, everybody. We are grateful to Dr. Sarvan Raja for founding such a beautiful academy. As we know that few months back, Dr. Raja started this academy without any interest. He's incurring all the expenses and not taking even a penny from anybody. And I feel a great honor by being honored by the academy. I let the honor be we give to the all of our academy members. And at last I extend my wishes. Happy birthday to Dr. Raja for his coming birthday on 27th of January. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Next, we would like to call Mr. Shankar Tate, an enthusiastic and devoted person, and he has always been closely associated with the AOR Aspirants Academy.
Here, sir. Here.
Dear friends, good evening to you, all of you. And legal education has impacted indelibly in my life. And with the help of my friend in the LLB study, Suyas, and later on in this R.K. Garg block, Mr. Praveen Swaroop, I could I could complete training of AOR, commencement and completion this thing training. And finally, when I came in touch with Dr. P.V.SARAVANARAJA, and I found that he accepted me as a student for AOR examination preparation, and he is helping me a lot for this preparation, and I am very thankful to him. And I find that Dr. Sarvan has all necessary 7 lamps of advocacy, which is theorized by Sir Edward Abbott Perry, and that is all honesty, courage, and that industry, wit, and fellowship, eloquence, and all that necessary. And not only that, 8th lamp also, that is tact, which is actually given by Justice Krishna Swami Iyer, that also he has that all necessary qualities. And I'm really thankful to him that the very first day he said, I came to know through my friends that he is conducting free of cost this kind of guidance and lectures. And then from the month of October onwards, I continuously could associate with him in this journey, and I'm very thankful to him. And I wish that this kind of legal education, this training would give a benefit to many of the of our friends in this profession. And finally, I thank a lot. Thank you, sir.
Next, I would like to call Mr. Sanjay Kumar Upadhyay.
Dear friends, it's a great opportunity to speak before you all. What I would say that, as Dr. Raja said, that few months back this academy started. Actually, I would say that few months back Dr. Raja had a pious thought of imparting all the education he has achieved till date and the training among those who are the most needed, the aspirants of AOR examination. Not only that, but even for the young lawyers, because in Supreme Court, what you have to practice is actually what the AOR have learnt or passed. So it is both way that he is helping the young lawyers, the interns, and people like us who are quite old but yet are aspirants and students of Dr. Raja. Now, this academy, how it has helped, particularly me, I would say, is not only the courses which are there. He told me about the books, etc. But what we do behind the scene is that with Dr. Raja, we in fact do the research work which is delivered in the lecture. So with Dr. Raja, we come to know of the books, the case law, we break the questions, we work on it, and it is all in the guidance of Dr. Raja. And we are also lucky that he is already a PhD person, well trained in the research work. And you know, law is nothing without research. So this training is buy one, get one free from Dr. Raja. So this way, what I wish is that more and more people should get the training. As Dr. Raja said that to meet the end of justice, just now he was delivering in his lecture. Many people are first generation lawyers. Many people come from poor background. Many law colleges don't have that type of academic professionals who can deliver and train them. So people like Dr. Raja, who are moving all alone on the path of this pious work, can be a great help to those people who are not so well trained, who are aspiring to be AOR, or who get good knowledge at a very young age of practicing in Supreme Court. This would lead to a movement of getting a justice delivered to the poorest of the people, whether they are lawyers themselves or to the clients. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Next, I would like to call guide and philosopher Mr. S.K. Patri.
Just hold this. Just hold this.
And Dr. Raja, the founder and my dear friend, and all my good friends here, all are friends. That is the only word I can say. Whether you are a senior member, a junior member, all are friends. It's a great occasion. Raja has 4 qualities. Dr. Raja, you say, I say only Raja. Raja can art many doctorates. So he's a good human being. Number one is a good human being first. That is the greatest quality, good human being. And a great professor, he has already proved that. Great lawyer also. And a judge in the making. I don't say judge is a bigger post, but judge in the making. So he has 4 qualities. So he is inspiring everybody. Whether you are a beginner, whether you are a law student, where you are going to retire from this world even. Those are coming to him. All are law students. All are students of law. So he likes the students. And I am also a student of him. Though he thinks that I am senior, I am also a student. So student is a great thing because it is the achievement. Because you have to learn always. The moment I say that I'm a professor, emeritus professor, I studied in Harvard, I studied in Oxford, JNU, so many things, then you're beginning a false stats. The moment you say that I'm still a student, I'm still learning from my interns, I'm still learning from my juniors, I'm still learning from my youngsters, my son, my grandson, that means you will grow on. Why he is doing that? And I have several wishes on him. His birthday is day after tomorrow, right? 26th, 27th. Na? So this is 25th of his lecture series. And he's always making us rhyme that we should be rhyming our soul of the Constitution, our preamble. And perhaps everybody has knew it now. He is the soul of the lawyers. I can say Lord of Preamble is soul of the lawyers. They are making the lawyers together. And all the gems are together. If all the gems or diamonds come together, there is a sparkling of power, sparkling for knowledge, sparkling for inspiration. She inspires, and what is going to happen? I can say this hall is already become smaller for us, all of us, not for Raja. So it will become more bigger. I have told him earlier, someday it will come. I don't know that date. A hall will be specifically named for Raja, that he will give him the lecture. Even if he will become a judge, he will not forget his founding themes. He will do that, and he is doing that. Whether he become an advocate record or not, whether he become senior advocate or not, your advocates, nobody is going to take it away. So advocates learn each day. Law every day is growing up. Every day. Old laws also been discarded. Even new laws are being made. Sometimes old laws are also made new laws. People say that was wrong. So old laws are still relevant today after so many years. So law can change sides day in and day out. Today juvenile law can also change the better. It can come to lower the age also because of the crime factor is going on. So he's doing a great service. This hall is named after a great man, Dr.P.V. Sir. This is not the photo. This is a great lawyer also. He is the father of Venugopal Sir. Is a great lawyer. So he is watching us also. And the Dr. is also great lawyer, very great lawyer. And so he is in that making. So we are getting inspiration not only from Raja, from all the surroundings. One day, definitely I foresee this hall is already become small. And it becomes smaller day by day. So we have to make some arrangements by asking the Chief Justice, requesting the Chief Justice and the bar authorities that a special hall should be earmarked for us. And he will do that. And he will invite some eminent lawyers also, eminent judges also, eminent jurists also, eminent academics also. So this will go on. So Raja will live in our dreams. Let all his dreams are fulfilled. So out of love and affection, I am gifting two of my used pens so that you'll remember me, but I will give something more to him. One is a red pen. He can check it out because he's a professor. And is a green pen, there is a blue pen, so you can write it down. I'll give something more. I'm giving my used pens. Don't think that. It will be used. You will remember me for some time. I'm something more to give you because I knew today only that your date of birth is coming Monday, coming Monday. So Republic Day you celebrate, but he will be remembered every day because he has inculcated the inspiration to study law. And law is the subject. Is the ocean of all knowledge is mingled to law. It is like a huge ocean. Everybody will tell something, it will be applied to law. Whether it is aeronautical science, or doctoral science, or engineering science, or judicial science, all mingle to law. So law is a huge ocean. So we have to churning the ocean. Now Mahakumbh is going on. So he is the nectar. Mahakumbh is in Allahabad today, is going on. So we are getting the nectar of law from Raja. So we are privileged. So we wish him all the best. Let him complete his century. Now he's hardly 50. I think he's not 40, na? 40 only, na? You will score another 60 rounds at least, 60 years, so that you will be scoring a good century for all of us. So Satayu Bhava, and do all the great service to us. We inspire the lawyers. Another great thing I forget to tell, he will inspire, nobleman, I already told in the first sentence. The last sentence I will say, he will make you professionally, ethically strong. Professional excellence is excellent, but without professional ethics, your excellence will go to dust. So you should be a great lawyer of professional excellence and also professional ethics. I don't think that you will become Vivekananda. That is a different game, ball game. But professionally, you will be very strong. professionally will be strong and also professionally, ethically will be strong. So if both will be maintained, nobody on this earth, including the great gods, they're supposed to be, they're compelled to bestow all the Ashribad for all of you. Thank you. I am honored basically because of that. Thank you. All the best wishes for him. You inspire him. He will be more give inspiration back. Love him. He will give him more love and affection to you. So that is my commitment. That is his commitment. And I'll already told him also, told the audience. Anytime any finance issues there, I told him, but he's a big man. He has more treasures in his resources. And I also tell all the friends, if they feel that Raja needs something, some papers, books, and others to give the gifts, other things, support him generously by cash and kind and your presence. He will not tell it so, but we will do that so that it will grow on and will move on and will become good lawyers. Always we have a chance to become good lawyers. I'm also a professor by chance also. I can give a lecture lot, but I find his lecture is really applicable better than any of us. Thank you.
Being a Raja cannot borrow anything from anyone except abundant love and affection. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Next, we would like to honor our AOR trainees, Mr. MJ Riaz Ahmed.
Continue.
Good evening, friends. I am very privileged and proud to be here in this August occasion of celebrating 25th series of AAA Academy. A person who is a mentor, who is a guide, who is a teacher, who is a father, who is a brother, who has got experience through books and practical knowledge in this legal fraternity, who is guiding us, is none other than our founder of AAA Academy, Mr. Dr. P.V.SARAVANARAJA sir. No person can be deprived of anything, including his education. The person who has gained knowledge is experiencing before us through this AAA Academy in order to achieve the goal that everyone who is sitting here should become an AOR in the future. Thank you. Thanks a lot. We should join hands with Dr. Saravanaja sir to achieve a goal. At last, but not the least, preamble is the heart and soul of the Constitution. Like the same, we, the aspirants of AOR, we have the heart and soul, which is the AAA Academy. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I would like to honor our mentor, Dr. P.V.SARAVANARAJA sir, on account of his birthday on 27. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much.
Next, we would like to call Mr. Dikshit.
Good evening, everyone. I am feeling very blessed and lucky that I am a part of this AAA family. I am associated with Sir from 7th lecture, that is Origin of PIL, that I, along with other aspirants, like to thank you, Sir, for this brilliant academy and appreciate all the time and effort that you have invested in us, that too a free service. Your guidance shaped us into better advocates and thus shaping this nation. सर, लाइफ में बहुत ही कम लोग ऐसे होते हैं जो पहली मुलाकात में या एक दो मुलाकात में लाइफ लॉन्ग इम्प्रेशन छोड़ देते हैं, और राजा साहब की पर्सनैलिटी ऐसी ही है कि अगर हम इनसे एक बार मिलते हैं तो हम इनकी छाप हमारे ज़िंदगी के ऊपर छा जाती है। तो विद सर की परमिशन से 2-3 लाइन लिखी है मैंने जो हमारी मीटिंग से लेकर है, वो कहना चाहूँगा। हेलो सर डॉक्टर राजा, मैं आपसे मिला इन सुप्रीम कोर्ट की कैंटीन प्लाजा। 4 साल की प्रैक्टिस थी मेरी, 4 साल की प्रैक्टिस थी मेरी, बट सुप्रीम कोर्ट का अनुभव ताजा ताजा। मैंने पूछा टेक्सन से कैसे करूँ ज्वाइन ऑफिस ऑफ डॉक्टर राजा। ही सेड कोई दिक्कत नहीं भाई, आजा आजा। फिर पता चला आप सिर्फ नाम के नहीं दिल के भी हो राजा। इन लास्ट सर, थैंक यू अगेन फॉर दिस ट्रिपल एकेडमी, डॉक्टर P.V. Saravanaaraja।
Thank you. Well said. Thank you. Thank you.
Next, we would like to call Miss Saket Gautam.
A very good evening, everyone. I have a few lines for my sir. I am a first AOR trainer under the guidance with Raja sir. Dear sir, very firstly, it's privilege to be here. I am really grateful to be part of this wonderful classes, AAA, AOR Aspirant Academy, where I got opportunity to have participation in this class. So far, I learned a lot since I have joined this class where I had nothing to have something. Dear sir, I am obliged that I got your mentorship and the way you guided me and encouraged me to get best out of me in means a lot for me, as well as I am confident to have my dreams come true in your guidance, sir. And I wish and pray from bottom of my heart that you get mountain heights of achievement, as well as God to keep you and family healthy forever, so that your blessing remains on me as well as on others. Sir, I have created a poem for you. First of all, P is for pensive, lost in dream. V is for virtuous living in righteousness. S is for selfness, placing others before self. A is for amazing, I never cease to think. R is for rebellious, going against the grain. V is for vivacious, highly spirited. A is for accommodating, concerned with others' needs. N is for noble, self-sacrificing. A is for abilities, of which you have many. R is for reasonable, ever sensible. A is for athletic, blessed with skill in sports. J is for jovial, full positivity. A is for attentive, taking cave, taking care for everyone needs. And sir, last line for you. Sir, wish you a very happy birthday, sir. God fulfill your all dreams, sir. Sir, wishing you each would be in your reach. even without having your reach. Whatever you wish will be at your reach. Either it's happiness, wealth, or anything gives you happy feel. Thank you so much, and thank you everyone.
Next, we would like to honor our nurturing the future AORs, Mr. Ravi.
Respected Dr. P.V.SARAVANARAJA sir, and esteemed advocates, and my dear colleagues. Uh, First of all, a very good evening to all of you. It is both a humbling and a joyous moment for me to stand here today, surrounded by such an accomplished group of individuals who have devoted their lives to legal profession. To be in the presence of Dr. P.V. Sarvanaraja sir and this esteemed gathering is truly an honor for me. And first and foremost, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to Dr. P.V. Sarvanaraja sir for his invaluable guidance, inspiration, and dedication to the legal profession. Sir, your wisdom and leadership have not only shaped the career of many, but have also strengthened the ideals of justice that we all strive to uphold. It is a privilege to be recognized by someone like you, sir. As an intern in the legal field, I have always viewed this journey as an opportunity to learn and grow under the mentorship of experience and principled professionals. The invaluable lessons I have not only deepened my understanding of the law, but also taught me the importance of ethics, diligence, and compassion in legal practice. I would like to take a moment to extend my gratitude to all the advocates present here today. It is through observing your dedication, sir, that I have come to understand the true responsibility that comes with being a part of this noble profession. This honor is not just a milestone in my journey, it is a reminder of the immense responsibility I hold to continue to learn, adapt, and contribute meaningfully to the legal community. Thank you, sir. Thank you for this opportunity to address such an esteemed gathering. It is a privilege I will treasure as I move forward in this career, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Next, I would like to call Mr. Ranjit Yadav.
Good evening, everyone. First of all, I would like to thank Dr. P.V. sir because he gave me a golden opportunity to work with him, for which I feel proud. I remember when sir interviewed me for internship, he said that, Ranjit, I'm your brother and you should consider me as your elder brother. And while working here, I really felt that we are working like a family. For his generous behavior, I got a chance to learn a lot. The AOR Aspirant Academy, the lectures which are being delivered here are very helpful to me and will help for my examination and other aspirants too. At last, I would request sir to provide me such opportunities in future as well. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Next, I would like to call Miss Mehak Fatima.
Good evening, everyone. It's an immense honor and privilege for me to stand before you here all today. Standing someone as deeply passionate about law, the dream of becoming an AOR stems from a deep commitment towards upholding justice and ensuring that values embedded in preamble are upheld. While we are gathered here for the 25th lecture, we owe a great deal of inspiration and preparation to the AOR Aspirants Academy founded by Advocate Dr. P.V. Sarvanaraja sir. His vision of providing free lectures to the aspiring lawyers is not just an initiative, but a testament to his unwavering commitment. The AOR Academy stands as a beacon of hope, which proves that education and guidance should never be limited to privilege barred by time or financial barriers. Sir's dedication towards teaching inspired me not only to excel, but to give back to my profession in a meaningful ways. Acknowledgements, whether big or small, always acts as a guiding light and a reminder to stay committed to my goals. So thank you so much, sir, for this opportunity. It's just not my honor, but a tribute to every other student and their aspirations who wants to leave a mark on in this legal profession. Before concluding, I hope we all can pledge to ourselves that we keep uplifting each other and uphold the values and responsibilities that comes with our role. Once again, I'm deeply honored and grateful for everyone. Thank you so much, sir, for this opportunity.
Next, we'd like to give a special award to Mr. Tekchan. He has been working and is still working for the AOR Academy from the day one. The AOR Aspirants Academy lecture reached the fourth direction to dispel the darkness of the ignorance by lighting the lamp of knowledge. His contribution is immense, and the words will fail to express his excellent work.
Thank you so much, sir. Yes.
Respected sir, my mentor, Dr. P.V.SARAVANARAJA sir, my seniors and my dear friends, I am Tekchan. Namaskar. It is my honor to stand before you today on this special occasion. I would first like to extend my deepest gratitude to sir for honoring me with this shawl, a gesture that symbolizes encouragement and the values we uphold in this journey together. Today is a momentous day for all of us at the AOR Aspirants Academy, fondly known as AAA. AAA signifies aspiration, ambition, and achievement. The foundation of our purpose and driving force that unites us in our shared journey towards success. This academy is founded by the visionary leader, Dr. P.V.SARAVANARAJA sir, whose dedication, wisdom, selfless commitment have shaped the lives of countless aspirants like us. With utmost respect and reverence, I wish to acknowledge his extraordinary efforts in establishing this academy as a beacon of excellence. His vision to empower and educate future advocates has inspired all of us to dream bigger and work harder. It is under his exceptional leadership that the first lecture of this academy began on Saturday, 27th of July 2024. From that day to today, the 24th January 2025, today, a span of 181 days, we have witnessed the remarkable growth and success of this institution. Today we celebrate the 25th lecture, a milestone that reflects not just the passing of time, but the hard work, dedication, and passion poured in this institution. Dr. P.V.SARAVANARAJA sir's lecture have been more than just academic. They have been a source of transformation, instilling in us the qualities of courage, determination, and perseverance. His tireless efforts, his humanity, and his belief in our potential have been the guiding light for all of us. As we move forward, let us remember the values of AAA represent aspirants, which fuels our dreams, ambition, which drives our actions, achievements, which marks our milestone. Let us carry forward the legacy of Dr. P.V.SARAVANARAJA sir with pride and gratitude. always striving to become the best version of ourselves and make a meaningful impact in the field of law. Thank you, Dr. P.V. Saravanaraja sir, for being my mentor, being our mentor, and guiding the light. Thank you to everyone who has been a part of this incredible journey. Together, let us continue to aim higher and achieve greater goals enshrined in the preamble of the Constitution of India. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Great.
Now, I would like to honor the founder of the AOR Aspirants Academy, Dr. P.V.SARAVANARAJA. Sir, a speech. A speech.
Already. Yeah. Thank you.
I want to honor you, sir.
Thank you. So that's it.
Short.
Sir, camera.
Come, sir, come.
Thank you. So, yes, please.
Ravi, come.
Ravi, come.
Come.
Yes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir, honor and again an honor is a synonyms repeated by synonyms, which is forbidden by grammar. So we cannot honor you, you are yourself honored.
Great.
And we would like to tribute with you, sir, with the bouquet, sir.
Thank you, sir. Please.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank
All
you.
other sirs also.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Thank you, sir.
Moving ahead, I would like to add that you are not just the future of the legal profession, you are the torchbearers of justice. Each one of you brings a unique set of skills, perspectives, and aspirations. And together, we form a community that is bound by a shared purpose, that is to ensure that the role of law prevails in every corner of our society. This academy's growth is a testament to the value of the relationships we have built here. It is a testament to the guidance of our mentors, the trust of our aspirants, and the shared belief that together we can achieve the extraordinary. Let us continue to nurture this culture and learning, support, and shared success as we grow even together in the days to come. Before I conclude, let me remind you that your achievements today and in the future are not just your own. They are testament to the hard work, guidance, and the sacrifices of your mentors, families, and peers. Let us express our gratitude to them for being your unwavering support system. Let us continue to strive for excellence, to uphold the highest standards of integrity, and to inspire those who come after us. Together, we are not just preparing for the exams, we are shaping the future of the law in our country.
Thank you. For the pleasant anchoring, sir. It was a nice presentation by Vidhi. It was a nice presentation by Vidhi because she has spoken on behalf of all the aspirants. So it is time to honor her on your behalf. Thank you, Vidhi. Thank you. Yes. Please join us for a group photo. Thereafter, distributions of sweets is there. Please wait with us.